My name is Robyn Bailey. I'm the Executive General Manager for Transformation and Portfolio Management. I've been at NBN for just over 7 years, so I started back in 2011. It was a very different place back then. It's always very exciting here because we genuinely want to innovate, we want to bridge the digital divide in Australia, and we're very, very focused on customer experience. So we're always taking that next step change, and that's what keeps me motivated. I'd have to say this is by far the best workplace I've worked in. I've started as a project manager, I've ended up as an executive general manager. I've had a lot of roles in between. I've worked extremely hard, but I've been supported all the way through. There's great sponsorship here by very inspiring leaders. It's a very innovative, proactive, caring environment to work in. At NBN, it's very supportive of mentoring, which I think has been fantastic. So most certainly I've taken the opportunity and had mentors across the business, and I've also been asked to mentor people from across the business, and it's a great way to meet people, to understand what's going on in their world, hopefully give them some advice. I think I learn a lot out of it as well. The leadership training is outstanding. It's by far the best I've had in my career. There's a lot of support for females who are looking to take on leadership roles within the business or even just advance their careers generally. So there are programs in place to build networks for female leaders and to support them in areas where they need development and growth. My experience as a female leader has been very positive in NBN. I've never felt different, I've always felt included. I've been given the same opportunities as my male counterparts. So I have nothing but good things to say about being a female leader at NBN. In terms of health and wellbeing, NBN again is very supportive. So we have a wellbeing program run out of our people and culture unit that includes campaigns like a step challenge, healthy heart checks, skin checks, mental health awareness as well. We pride ourselves for our innovation. The most obvious is technology, but for me the most exciting is around culture. So platforms like Workplace to communicate more effectively, and all of the other programs that we run to drive a great place to work and a high performance culture are what really makes a difference. Our values are we deliver, we are fearless, we care, and one team. And I hold them very close to my heart, and it's what makes me want to stay here because the people that I work with feel the same way.